Hey, g'day guys. Today we're going to be installing a set of wheels to the Monaro here. And that's going to be the 20-inch wheels here that we have. So sit back and watch me chuck these new wheels on and I'll see if they fit it and we'll go from there. G'day guys. So I just use simple tools to do most of what I get done around here. There's no fancy impact wrenches or anything like that. Although if you think there's anything that's out there that's reasonably affordable from your average store, let me know. I've got a couple of gift cards I've got to use up, so maybe I can get a decent air ratchet set or something. Anyways, watch me wrestle these off and get this done as quick as I can. Well, that wasn't too bad, eh? So I'll pop it off, and you'll see that I just got the standard brakes under there, just regular, pretty much V6 Commodore brakes, not even the nice CV8 HSV sort of mid-premium brake there, just standard Commodore stuff. So here's the 20-inch wheel. Give it a crack. Hopefully it clears the strut tower. If not, I guess we'll just have to get some coilovers or something. Just take it as it goes though. Seems all right. Let's see how quick I can put these on there. Alright, do the usual, slight and tighten them up a little bit. Might help if I'm using the right one. And that'll do, just to test it out. It's not bad. In the grand scheme of things, everything I get is generally secondhand. I don't buy brand new if I can help it. For the price that I paid for these wheels, came with tyres. It's not a bad effect, and it's right on point with what I like anyway. It's not too modern with the VF or E series wheels. It's just keeping it mid 2000s kind of look. But yeah, that'll do as an alternative to the track wheels. Just as a comparison here, we've got the original wheels here, and then we got the 20s over here. Obviously, the ride height will change as the car drives around and we'll get a better idea of how it sits, but I'm happy with it. Well, I won't show you putting on the rear wheel here or the other side. I'll just get on with that, and then maybe I'll do a bit of a video montage and show you guys what it looks like out in the sun, and yeah, go from there. Hey guys, just to recap, these wheels, yes I know 20s are not good track wheels whatsoever. I'm just going to recap. So from the beginning, the 20s are just simply show wheels that I can chuck on the car. It's a little nicer. And then over in the corner there we've got the track wheels, which are the 3-piece ones. They're 18s. And then of course, yeah, we have the originals here. So I guess when I position it like that, you can see how they are similar. Not completely, but ROH did sort of borrow a few bits from one wheel and implemented it into the CV8 wheel there. And before anyone says it, yeah, I understand these are not standard on the CV6 whatsoever. I think the CV6 had VXSS wheels. This, I just when I got it, I just had to return it back to stock because it had some black wheels. I think they were Argents or something, 5-spoke wheels. I think you see them on Fords as well. So I got rid of them and just took it back to stock, made it clean. Especially, it makes it so much easier when you're going through a roadworthy process. So this car's been registered for, geez, 5 years now or something, and I've been putting off doing this project, doing all these modifications. I've just been collecting all the parts for when I'm ready to do all this. So this is just the beginning, and yes, underneath those wheels at the moment is just the standard Commodore brakes. I will get the Brembo brakes on there in an upcoming episode, but for a weekend when I've got a spare hour, this is all I can sort of do, just little bits here and there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you sort of decide to like and subscribe and all that sort of stuff, and look out for progress on this. It's something different, so I'm hoping a few other people will appreciate what I'm trying to do here with this CV6. I know there's a lot of guys out there that are doing L67 stuff. I know there's a few other guys out there doing CV6s, doing them up with different combos, so it's kind of cool to join the club on that and just play around with these engines, you know. So yeah, let us know what you think. Let us know what you think about this new mic that I've got here. I'm hoping it improved the sound quality. And in the future I'll look at getting a better camera, but for the moment it's just the phone camera at the moment. So it is what it is. Till next time, as my sons have been telling me, make sure I say like, subscribe, and share, do all those social things. Get it out there. I've only got like 15 hits on the previous video, which is woeful. Hopefully that'll pick up now. See how we go. Till then, take care, and chat to you guys next time.